Hi, my name is Akshpreet Singh and I am a SET student, and today I'll be discussing about my BMAT project, that is amortization and data visualization, and I'll be talking about this in brief in the following slides. So firstly, I'll be discussing that what is a mortgage. Mortgage is a loan that is issued by a financial lending institution to a borrower to purchase real estate such as business or a residential property. And also, what is the use of data amortization? So amortization tables are used to calculate monthly payments and summarize loan repayment details for borrowers. However, amortization tables also enables borrowers to determine how much debt they can afford, evaluate how much they can save by making additional payments, and calculate total annual interest for tax purposes. So now here I have my scenario with me, that is Emma has recently relocated from India to Toronto to advise her career. With the rising rental cost in Toronto, she is contemplating purchasing her own home sooner than later. So the current situation of Emma is that she can afford only a portion of the down payment for a home and would need a mortgage for the remaining amount. She has her eye on a property which is valued at $250,000. During her visit to the local bank to explore her loan options, Emma was informed about the current loan interest rates. The bank allows a maximum loan term of 25 years. Based on this, the financial advisor provided her with the following four repayment options. And we have our options with us, that is the first option is that a down payment of 7% with a 4-year closed rate compounded semi-annually. The monthly payment and annual prepayment are $9,500. Interest rate for the whole scenario would remain 3.25% compounded semi-annually. So option 2 is after a 12% down payment, a $12,000 annual prepayment is allowed with a 5-year closed rate compounded semi-annually. Option 3 is a $10,000 prepayment every year is required with a 6-year closed rate compounded semi-annually and an 18% deposit. Option 4 is an 8-year closed rate compounded semi-annually for the loan after a 25% down payment. Additionally, a $14,000 annual prepayment is allowed. And Emma is very confused about which of the repayment method will allow her to pay the least amount of money in both principal and interest, while also repaying the loan in the shortest time. So we'll calculate this whole thing in the following. So firstly, we'll look at the mortgage options that we have. So for the whole options, the house price would be $250,000, and the down payment percent for the all the options would be different. That is, for option 1 it would be 7%, followed by 12%, 18%, and 25%. So we'll calculate the deposit by multiplying 250,000 by 7%. We'll get $17,500. So this we'll do for all the options, and then we'll get the answer for all the four options. So to calculate the mortgage, we'll subtract the deposit from the house price and we'll get the mortgage price. So then we'll also calculate the PMT, which is a very important role in the whole scenario. So we have all the values with us, that is J is equal to 3.25%, M is equal to 2 for all the options, per Y is 12, T is 25 years, and N per we get by multiplying per Y into T, that gives us 300, and FV we have for the first option, that is $232,500. For option 2 we have 2,20,000. For option 3 we have 2,05,000, and for option 4 we have 1,87,500. So we'll also calculate the I by using the formula J by M and C, and also we'll calculate the I2 by using the given values. So now for calculating the PMT, we'll use the Excel formula, that is PMT bracket rate comma n per comma FV, PV, type and bracket close, and this would give us the answer for the first option, that is 1130.34, and for the all options that would give us 1069.57. For third option it would give us 9996.64. For fourth option it would give us 911.56. And we have the prepayment with us, that is given in our scenario for all the four options, and we have noted it down over here, which would help us in calculating further the total prepayment. So now we have the total payment with us for all the four options. We have the total prepayment for all the four options and the total interest, and this all was calculated by using the amortization table that is in the Excel. So amortization table, when we'll construct it, we'll take it we'll take the values that are for the payments, that is from 1 to 300, and PMT that we have already calculated for all the four options, and we'll drag it down till 300. And the interest that we'll calculate for the only the first one, that is I2 into balance, and we'll drag it down till 300, and then this would calculate the interest for all those, and then we'll calculate the principal by using the formula PMT minus interest, and then we'll calculate the balance by using the formula previous balance minus principal, and then this would drag till the count of 300, and when it would reach till 300, the balance that is actually for the end is 0. That is mandatory to come because he has completed his all the 300 payments. So this is how we construct an amortization table, and this was all about my assignment, and hope so that you would have felt interested in it. Thank you for your time.